Is your driver's side mirror brown, golden, discolored? That's not what it should look like. It should look like this. So tell me, why is it common on early 2000 model Mercedes for that mirror to turn colors? Well, because oftentimes Mercedes incorporated into their side mirrors auto fading, auto dimming. So when the light hits it, or if somebody flashes their lights, you don't get blinded. When the sun is beaming off of this mirror, it doesn't affect your eyesight. It auto dims. The bad thing about auto dimming is it can go bad. And in this case, it has gone bad. Yeah. So if you're dealing with this issue, what do? Well, there's an easy solution. Because one option is to replace the mirror, the entire mirror assembly, which may not be cost effective. If you want to keep that feature, maybe that's what you'll choose to do. But you have a cheaper option, and it is simply replacing it with a mirror, the glass itself. Now you will lose that auto dimming feature, but it is a simple, cheap solution. Hey, look at me. Yeah, that's clear. This enables you to replace this effectively and to be able to use your mirror and see clearly when using it. On the back side is an adhesive. Click on the link if you're interested in buying this. You simply clear the mirror off with a glass cleaner. You peel off the paper covering or backing of the adhesive. This is a double-sided sticker, in other words, double-sided tape. You peel that paper, you catch an edge and you peel that paper covering off. It reveals the adhesive on the double-sided tape, and you simply carefully adhere it to the glass. Now, in most cases, it fits perfect, but sometimes you'll have an edge that is more rounded than the edge on the OEM glass. It all depends on where you source it from. But if you can accept that, then you can easily replace your mirror, your glass, so that you can use it and feel safe on the road. Just like so. So as I stated, in this instance, you see this tapered edge is more rounded than the OEM. Now on my previous SL, I replaced it with one that fit perfectly. So if you're okay with that gap, it not fitting perfectly, then do that. If you're not satisfied with that, make sure you source one that fits perfectly. And just like so, now I can see. You can see the difference because this one is curved and the OEM has a sharper angle to it. And you can see the difference. You see that where it's brownish gold versus the new clear glass? Now again, this is a cheap solution and you might not be satisfied being able to see that mirror behind it. But if that doesn't bother you, then use this. This is an easy, quick solution. If it does bother you, make sure you buy one that has free returns. If you're not satisfied with that, return it. Source one that doesn't have this curved angle, this curved corner. Find one that has a sharper angle that matches the OEM. But again, this is an option, a very cheap option. Okay, so if you want to save a couple bucks and get you something like this that'll help, go ahead. It's a nice option. You're welcome. Go to Autoworks. I'm out.